मिसाल नहीं बेमिसाल बनी. Hi guys, you are watching All in One channel and I am Achit. Today I am back with the second part of India's president. So start. The eighth president of our nation is R. Venkataramanji. R. Venkataramanji is the eighth president of our nation. His serving period was 25 July 1987 till 25 July 1992. His term was exactly 5 years. His belonging party was Indian National Congress. Earlier, he was the Vice President of India from 1984 till 1987. He received many honors from different parts of the world, including the Tamrapatra for the contribution to India for his freedom struggle. 9th, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma ji. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma ji is the 9th president of our nation. His serving period was 25 July 1992 till 25 July 1997. His term was exactly 5 years. His belonging party was Indian National Congress. He also served as the governor of Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Maharashtra. R.K. Narayan ji is the 10th president of our nation. His serving period was 25 July 1997 till 25 July 2002. His tenure was exactly 5 years. He is an independent candidate. He received India's ambassador to Thailand, Turkey, China and USA. He was the first Dalit president for India. He was the first Malayali person to receive the highest office of the country. Now talk about my favorite, Abdul Fakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam ji is my favorite president and he was the 11th president of our nation. His serving period was 25 July 2002 till 25 July 2007. His term was exactly 5 years. He was the independent candidate. Kalam sir was an engineer and scientist who played leading role in the development of India ballistic missile and nuclear programs. He is also known as Missile Man of India. Rohini 1 satellites, Agni and Prithvi missiles were successfully launched under his term. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Srimati Pratibha Singh Patil ji. Srimati Pratibha Singh Patil ji is the 12th president of our nation. His serving period was 25 July 2007 till 25 July 2012. His term was exactly 5 years. His belonging party was Indian National Congress. She was the first woman to become the president of India and the first female governor of Rajasthan, Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee is the 13th president of our nation. His serving period was 25 July 2007 till 25 July 2017. His term was exactly 5 years. His belonging party was INC, Indian National Congress. He held various parts in cabinet for the governor of India, such as the foreign minister, defense minister, finance minister, and diplomacy chairman and deputy chairman, and for the planning commission, and he received the best parliamentary award in 1997, and he received Padma Bhushan, and India's second and highest civilian award, in 2008, and Bharat Ratna in 2019. After him, the recent and present president, Mr. Ram Nath Kovind ji. Mr. Ram Nath Kovind ji is the 14th president of our nation. His serving period was 25 July 2017 to the present date. His belonging party was Bharat Janata Party, BJP. He is the second president and first president from Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. He was governor of Bihar from 2015 till 2017. The second, and he was the second Dalit president, and as well as the first president of BJP. So guys, this was the second part of the prime minister name. Next will be the quiz round. So ready for the quiz?